Coco man. Yeah. Mat Mori. Get my mom pula tu. Jacob T. Zozo. Yo, you look like a grandma. Get off the live and go to sleep. It's past your fucking bedtime, buddy.
See, I just warmed it up for you.
Holy moly.
What? You don't want it?
Looks like dog food.
Give it to me.
No, I'm finna
Give it to
eat
me.
No, I'm finna eat it. You didn't make it. If you would have made it, it would have been like... It would already been going.
Yeah, if I made it, but it's not. Me va me te manger.
Not dog food.
I didn't cook it. We went to
She
Texas
didn't make
Road.
it.
We went
It's
to
alright.
Texas Roadhouse.
Sell. Si sell. Yes.
Did I give you a fork?
Yes, better.
You are a baby.
They're all leaving. You gotta come back over here. I don't speak this language. They're all leaving.
Excuse me?
I don't speak Creole. They're all leaving.
Read the comments.
Diablo. Marcisi get mamon. Hola tu pussy. Marivin. Coman li tu say la. What that mean?
Why are you coughing like that? How are you coughing like that?
Because I have a throat. Vanna knows.
Vegan.
Thank you for the heart puff. Thank you for the hand heart. That scared the shit.
Sure as jump.
That scared the shit.
Jump. Oh, my bad.
Thank you for the heart puff. Thank you for the heart puff. Thank you for the hand heart.
Is it too hot to eat?
This is great.
Why
Perfecto.
aren't you eating?
I am. You told me to read the comments.
Okay, but you can do both. You eat me out while you fuck me while you sucking on my tits. So I'm guessing you can do that. Okay then.
Tetas and coco. My type of night.
Yes. You do that.
¿Tú hablas español? No. Oh my god.
¿Quién habla español? Mira. ¿Quién habla español en la casa? ¿Quién?
What?
Who?
Who
¿Hablas español?
speaks Spanish
En
in
la
this
casa.
house?
Sí.
Mi esposa.
Mi esposa. It's okay. It's okay. You're still learning. It's okay.
Can't give up.
It's okay. ¿Quién habla español en la casa? Habla español. Es hermoso el pan. Habla español. Gracias, mamá. Gracias.
Where do I live? Walmart parking lot.
You're wrong. We live out home.
How many languages does she speak? 7.5. Just gonna fuck my stomach up.
I know.
Yeah, right.
But you asked
Okay.
me.
You asked the question, I just answered it. You don't gotta believe me. Motherfucker.
You got to what? Look at my baby.
Who asked me?
Yeah.
You just walk her out.